Starting an online welding supplies business presents a unique opportunity to tap into a growing market while leveraging the convenience of e-commerce. Success in this venture requires careful planning, sourcing quality products, building a user-friendly website, implementing effective marketing strategies, and providing exceptional customer service. This video outlines the essential steps to initiate and build a thriving online welding supplies business. The first step in launching an online welding supplies business is to conduct thorough market research. Understand the demand for welding products and identify the target audience. Analyze the competition in the online welding supplies market and identify unique selling points that can set your business apart. Additionally, familiarize yourself with the specific needs and preferences of welders, contractors, and hobbyists, as this knowledge will inform your product selection and marketing strategies. After defining the market, the next step is to create a comprehensive business plan. Outline the mission and vision of the online welding supplies business, specify the range of products to be offered, detail pricing strategies, and project financial forecasts. A well-structured business plan serves as a roadmap for the entrepreneur, aids in obtaining financing, and provides strategic direction for the business as it navigates the competitive online marketplace. Sourcing quality welding supplies from reputable manufacturers or distributors is crucial for the success of the online business. Establish relationships with suppliers who can provide a consistent and reliable inventory of welding equipment, safety gear, consumables, and other related products. Ensure that the products meet industry standards and safety regulations. Offering a diverse range of high-quality products contributes to customer satisfaction and builds trust in the brand. Building a user-friendly and visually appealing e-commerce website is essential for attracting and retaining online customers. Invest in a reliable e-commerce platform that allows for easy navigation, secure transactions, and efficient order processing. Provide detailed product information, including specifications and usage guidelines. Implement a responsive design that ensures a seamless shopping experience across various devices. Utilize high-quality images and clear product descriptions to help customers make informed purchasing decisions. Implementing effective digital marketing strategies is crucial to drive traffic to the online welding supplies business. Utilize search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to improve the website's visibility in search engine results. Utilize social media platforms to engage with the welding community, share informative content, and promote products. Consider online advertising, email marketing, and partnerships with welding forums or influencers to expand the reach of the business. Offering promotions, discounts, or loyalty programs can also attract and retain customers in the competitive online market. In conclusion, starting an online welding supplies business requires meticulous planning, market research, sourcing quality products, creating a user-friendly website, and implementing effective marketing strategies. By navigating these essential steps, entrepreneurs can establish a successful online welding supplies business, catering to the needs of welders and enthusiasts worldwide while capitalizing on the convenience and accessibility of e-commerce.